Hey, this is Leo from Weapon.R. We're going to talk about CEL Eliminators today. We make two different ones. One is a universal and the other one is an adjustable type. Let's talk a little bit about CEL Eliminators. CEL Eliminators, when you have a check engine light on your car from exhaust modifications, you will possibly get a check engine light. This is a mechanical piece that we designed. We actually have a patent on it, and it helps you get rid of that light. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and talk about this, and I'm going to show you a little bit about the two different ones. So it comes in a packaging. It does have instructions inside, although it is fairly simple to install. You basically just you put this in between your O2 sensor and your exhaust. So go ahead and cut these open. Okay, it does come with bubble pack. Just make sure it's all good. And it does have instructions. Okay. So first one I'm going to open up is the universal type. So the universal type is a fixed length already. This is the length, and you would put your O2 sensor on this side, and this side would go into your exhaust. So that's the universal type, and we have another one that is adjustable. Sometimes cars will not like the specific length that you give it. We've been having very good luck with this one, but if you just want a little bit more tunability, you would go for this one. Personally, I go with this one. Just gives me a little more range of adjustment. It basically will back out the O2 sensor from the exhaust stream to give the car the correct air-fuel ratio that it wants. Okay, so it's a good tuning tool too. So it has a locking screw right here. So if you adjust it, you can spin this locking nut down and lock it into place. Okay, there's also another one you put onto the exhaust side, and that also you turn it, get it tight, and then you get to the position that you like, and then you would spin this down to lock it down. All right, so let's go ahead and put one of these into an exhaust. So let's just say this is your exhaust system or your header or what have you. Okay, and here is your O2 sensor. All right, and I'm going to put it on a universal one right now. You would basically put this on. Okay, tighten it down. I won't tighten it down for obvious purposes. And we're gonna go ahead and put this into the exhaust. Usually, I would say put this, put the CEL Eliminator on your exhaust first. Okay, and then put the oxygen sensor on. But just wanted to show you how it would go on and how it looks. Okay, we'll go ahead and do it the other way later on. So see how this is not parallel now? You can go ahead and turn it back and turn it to position you like. Turn that down, lock it down. Now it's in that position. Okay, and now you have it all installed. Make sure everything's tight and install it back on your car. Okay, sometimes you can do it with it on the car. I mean, you can do it with everything on the car. Sometimes it requires you to take everything out. Okay, so we're gonna now install the adjustable type. Okay, now I'm going to do it how I would usually do it, and not so you can see it, but take the adjustable one, loosen it all up. I would bring it down to the shortest that I can, or I would like, according to my car. Go ahead and install it. Okay. Again, it's not parallel. Get it parallel to where you like it. Get it, tighten that down. And then you can loosen this, tighten it however you like to whatever length you like. Or you can just even take it completely out. And you can have it at its shortest length. See, it's quite long, so it's a lot of adjustability. You can go ahead, this fits perfectly also. Okay, you can go just like this, and run it at its shortest length, okay? Or have it with the adjustability screw in it. Okay? There are breather holes in there, so it does allow it to breathe, okay? It's not just getting from one direction, it's getting from 360 degrees. Or actually all around. So you can have it adjusted to here, okay? And go ahead and tighten that up. And then put on your O2 sensor. This is the way I would do it if I was doing it on the car. Okay? So this allows you to tune the exhaust air-fuel ratio a little bit to eliminate check engine lights, or just adjusting your air-fuel ratio. If you have your air-fuel ratio gauge, you will see the difference while you're extending it or bringing it back in. So if you have any questions, you can always email us. We also have a live video conference for anybody that needs technical support. You can find that on our website at www.weapon-r.com. And these pieces, this piece normally goes for $60. It's now on sale for $48. And this one goes for $80. The adjustable one goes for $80. It's on sale right now for $60, okay? So don't sleep. These sales don't last, all right? So have a good one. All right. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.